Hi everyone, it's Mr. St. Clair here again, checking in for the second step of our lemonade stand project. So if you took step one and you figured out your recipe, that means you know your ingredients. Hopefully you found out how much your ingredients cost as individual items, and maybe you even totaled up those amounts. Maybe you found the sum for the cost of your ingredients. If you did that already, that's great. That will be helpful for today. If not, then one of your first steps is this. What is the total cost of your ingredients? You want to find the sum of the cost of each of your ingredient items. So if you haven't done that yet, that would be an important first step. Now, if you have that figured out, or when you figure it out, you'll be ready to move forward and think about the money-making part of a lemonade stand. If we have to buy the ingredients in order to make our lemonade, then we want to figure out how much we're going to charge for our serving of lemonade. So, once you know the total cost of your ingredients, and I'm just going to give a quick example here. I'm going to use a friendly number and just say maybe the total cost for the ingredients was around $10. If you spent $10 on your ingredients, then you want to make more than $10 as you sell lemonade at your lemonade stand. You want to make what's called a profit, meaning you have earned money. Yes, you spent money to buy the ingredients, but after you sold your product, you ended up with more money than what you spent. So, if I were to choose a price, I might choose $1 for a cup of lemonade. If I charge $1 for a cup, I bet you can figure out how many cups would need to be sold so that I would make some money. So if I only sold 10 cups, I'd make no money. I wouldn't lose any money, but I wouldn't make any money. So your challenge today is to look at the total cost for all of your ingredients and to think about how much are you going to charge per cup so that you make money, you make what's called a profit. Now, kind of a bonus if you want to get really detailed in your thinking, you might look at your ingredients, and this would go back to your recipe, and figure out how many servings does your recipe make. For example, in this particular situation, if my recipe, the ingredients I bought for $10 only made 10 servings, I would charge $1 for a cup. I would sell 10 cups because there would be 10 servings. 1 times 10 means I would earn $10. I wouldn't make any money. So you might want to think about how many supplies, ingredients you need to buy. You might change that thinking a little bit. Instead of buying enough to just make the recipe once, you might want to consider, will I make the recipe twice, or will I make the recipe 3 times so that I can sell more cups of lemonade and try to make a profit? So good luck. Spend some time thinking about your plan. Again, you don't have to go out and buy the items. You can research ingredient prices on the internet, and you can put your brain to work in figuring out what's the total cost of the ingredients, how much are you planning to sell your lemonade for, each cup will cost what amount, and figure out if that price is going to allow you to make some money, to make a profit. So have fun, and I'll see you soon.